Here we have a round farmhouse mirror, which is really nice. You can see the nice designs. The cool thing about this is this actually does come off from the mirror. So you can pull this off, and once it's off, you can paint it like has been done here. So you can make it match your room how you want it. Nice little DIY project that's not too difficult. Also, it helps to take it off when you need to clean it. You want to make sure that it is on a stud because it is a pretty heavy mirror. And it's a pretty good size mirror as well, just to give you an idea. It's, going to go through and fit everything you need to in the frame, including me. It's also made out of real wood, so that's also a great thing to get going about it. And like I said, you could just paint it however you want, give it your own little spin, and with that, you have your own unique mirror. Or you could just leave it as is. My name is Kevin with Helpful Tutorials, and I hope this is helpful.